afternoon everyone. Today I am going to show you the object box in language, and this contains objects which is related with the CBC words with letter A. Let me show you. Van, cap, man, wax, can, bag. And here are the words that are related with these objects. And here is my student with me to do this activity. Are you ready to do this activity?
Yes.
Yes. Can you please close your eyes for me? Yes. Here is your card. Open your eyes. Can you pronounce it? What?
Axe.
One more time. What?
Axe.
Faster.
What? Axe. What? Axe.
Okay. Did you get that? What is this word?
Wax.
Can you please pick the wax from here? Nice job.
Bag.
Once more.
Bag.
Faster.
Bag. Bag.
Can you please pick bag from here for me? Wow. Nice job. Do you want to do one more?
Yes.
Here is.
Cup.
Once more.
Cup.
Faster.
Cup. Cap.
Can you please pick cat? Thank you. Nice job. In this way, kids can be able to read the word and also it relate the word with the correct picture, and also they can read it according to their phonic sounds. Thank you.